To fix location services on Android, it's helpful to understand the common reasons why they may not be working. These issues often stem from software glitches, disabled location services, or network problems. Fortunately, resolving these issues can be straightforward. A simple restart of the phone can often resolve temporary software bugs that may be causing the problem. This can be done by pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds and selecting the restart option. If this doesn't work, enabling location services is the next step. This involves launching the Settings app, finding the Location section, and toggling the switch to the On position to enable location services. If location services still aren't working, resetting the network settings can help resolve any misconfigurations that may be causing the issue. This is achieved by navigating to the System section within the Settings app, clicking the Reset option, selecting Reset Network Settings, and confirming the action. By following these steps, it's possible to fix location services on Android, ensuring that location-based features and apps function as expected.